Everyone is lying to you about how to fix your face. Mewing, jawline exercise, bone structure. It's all noise to keep you distracted from the three things that actually matter. You don't need to be huge, you need to be hard. Get your body fat low enough that your face isn't blurred. This is the foundation. Your clothes are your skeleton. Most of you have no frame, so you wear clothes that hide your body. This is a coward's move. The goal is not baggy or tailored fit. The goal is a frame that creates shape, shoulders that hit seams, a chest that has room but doesn't drown you. You are building the structure nature didn't give you. Your face is a billboard for your discipline, oil, acne, dryness. These are just symptoms of neglect. This has nothing to do with 10-step routines. This is about control. Wash your face, eat clean, drink more water, and keep it clean. This is the most basic form of self-respect. If you can't manage this, you've already lost. Let's be clear, you fail at these steps because they're boring, and start do jawline exercises and etc. Stop looking for secrets. The secret is to stop being lazy. Master these 3 steps. Nothing else matters.